everybody. This is Miss Lena again. And I hope everybody's here. I'm glad to come back to say I have another grocery haul for you all today. And I had lost everything in my, one of the freezers went out and everything. So I've had to come back and buy some more stuff. So now I have from Kroger's and from Sam's what I've been today. I didn't buy very much, just enough to put in there. So now I'm going to start. On this end down here is from Kroger. Okay. I have a 2-pound bag of potatoes. A 5-pound bag, I'm sorry. I have some beef broth. I have some salad.
Onions dip mix.
Okay. All right. And then I have a couple of green onions. I have some lettuce. I have a thing of collard greens. I have 1 collard green. And I have a head of cabbage. I have a couple of tomatoes right there. And I have some more down donuts, which the kids are waiting for. I have a small box of crackers. And I have some whipped topping I'm going to be using. And then I have the Jiffy cornbread mix, a lot of. And okay. And then I also have, I think I have a 1 turkey chicken chili. I have another,
she got beef broth. She got evaporated milk and sliced carrots. And she have sour cream right here, y'all. She has cottage cheese. And she
I have 3 of these whipped toppings.
With another whip.
And then I have the black beans. All that. And then all the frozen items came from Kroger also.
She has peas and carrot, mixed vegetables. She has okra and she has green peas.
Okay. All right. All right. Now, this also have a can of biscuits. All right. That's all coming from Kroger. All right. And that's everything that I have from Kroger. Now, I'm starting on Sam. I have on the board chips, which DJ left with her black beans. I have a couple loaves of bread. I have Fruity Pebbles. I have Frosted Flakes. I have the butter. And I also have some boneless chicken bites, which I know the children would like. Okay, and I have a half and half cream. Okay. And now I also have a gallon of milk that came from Kroger.
She have a watermelon.
And a watermelon. Okay. And, all right. And then the bananas came from Sam's also. And the weenies came from Sam's. And I have a little package of steaks came from Sam's. Okay. Okay. And then I have the lean turkey, ground turkey. And I also have the ground chicken. And I also have some chicken wings. I want you all to know they're running the whole chicken wings this weekend for like $1.98 a pound. So that's what they're coming to. And then I also have a package of chicken thighs. And I also have 2 things of water, which I have 480 waters. And so now this is it's just a small grocery haul, but it's from both places I need. So I thank you also for watching, and I just wanted to show you this grocery haul that I have now. And I hope you all will see that I will be trying to put something up sometime during maybe the first part of next week. But I just wanted to see what I have now. And because everything that y'all saw on the last grocery haul, I've lost. So I'll have to throw it in the trash. But anyway, I thank you all. Please come back and keep watching for my grocery hauls. And I shall be back and start making videos, I hope, in a few days. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all the prayers you've been sending, Miss Lena. Thank you for all of the love, the comments, and everything. We really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. And thank you to all the new subscribers that have been subscribing since she haven't been making no video. We truly appreciate each and every one of you.
Yes, and I thank you all. And I'm getting better, and I will be doing something soon. But I thank you all so much. And I do, like we say, I do appreciate everybody. And I certainly do appreciate the last ones that have come up. Because in the last couple of days, I think I picked up a couple of hundred subscribers, new ones. And I thank you. And I haven't made any videos. But I thank God. And I thank you all for all the prayers. Because, you know, God has really been good to me. I'm thankful and I'm grateful and I'm praise Him. And I thank all of you all. May God bless each and every one of everybody that's on my YouTube station. And I will be seeing you soon. And I hope tomorrow's not Friday. I hope to come in on Saturday afternoon with a live video. So stay tuned. And I love you all. God bless you all. And have a wonderful and a blessed day coming up for whatever. God bless you all with all my love. Subscribe. This is Miss Lena's channel. Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you so much. May God bless everybody with love. All of you. Goodbye.